Hey there everyone, Hadena here, and today I have something special for you. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Huawei P20. Now this is not the P20 Pro with the triple lens camera system, it does have the dual camera though. This colour is the midnight blue version, and I hope it's going to be a beautiful smartphone, so let's just go and get some scissors and start opening this guy up. Now there is a lot of hype over this phone because obviously the P20 Pro has triple lens camera system and everything else, and Huawei, in my opinion, have really set the bar for camera technology as well as Samsung, but they've recently been making really good products. There we go. Nice metallic feeling box, which is a good thing. Right, so let's just slide open the box. And there we go. There is the actual phone itself. So we're going to get that out. Very nice metal feel, cold metal feel around there. Nice big display. That to one side. Out of the way. So here we have our pamphlets, documentation, and we also have a case. That was unexpected. We have a case included in the box. That's really good because now you don't have to order one. And obviously your SIM card ejector tool is there. You'll see you have your charger there. Don't know whether it's a fast charger, probably not. You also have your USB-C cable, quite a nice USB-C cable, and USB Type-C headphones that look a lot like Apple earbuds, but obviously you'll have the USB-C on there. You can see, camera in focus, because this does not come with a headphone jack. So there's some things Huawei did right, and there's some things that Huawei did wrong. So, let's place all that back in the box, like that. Put the box back together. There we go. So here is the phone itself. Very nice blue colour. Very nice. Obviously USB-C, and if I get it in focus, so USB-C, speaker system, microphone, dual lens camera system. It does have a little bit of a camera bump, but that should be fine. Microphone, flash, two-tone flash. The SIM card tray there. Power and volume buttons there. So, there we go. So, let's go ahead and peel the stickers off this guy. One of the best things about an unboxing. There we go, peel the other sticker off there. There we go. So there is the phone. Beautiful. Very, very nice phone. Feels very nice, nice weight to it. And see if we have any charge in it. We do. This is Huawei. So that on there. Zoom in a bit. Nice little jingle. Oh, and obviously we have the big display there, like that. So we do have a bit of a notch there, like the Apple with the iPhone, well, like the iPhone 10, but it isn't as prominent. But we do have a bit of a chin, just there. So Hope you've liked this short little unboxing, and I will see you in the next video.